Unlock the full potential of your trading without breaking the bank with this guide to exploring legitimate ways to achieve long-term TradingView access. Hey traders, are you tired of those recurring subscription fees for your favorite charting platform, TradingView? Today, we're diving deep into how to potentially achieve lifetime access. But more importantly, how to do it the right way will be focusing on ethical and legitimate strategies, ensuring you avoid any terms of service violations that could jeopardize your entire trading setup. First, let's address what we won't be doing. There are no shortcuts, no cracked versions, and absolutely no unethical methods. Anyone promising these will likely lead you down a path of security risks and account bans. Our focus is purely on understanding the platform's available promotions and strategies that might offer extended or even lifetime access, all while staying within TradingView's rules. Step 1 is to thoroughly explore TradingView's official pricing page. While they primarily offer monthly and annual subscriptions, keep a keen eye out for special promotions, holiday discounts, or limit time offers that might significantly reduce the cost or bundle features for an extended period. Sometimes bundling with other brokers or financial education platforms can also unlock special deals. Secondly, engage with the TradingView community. Many users share legitimate deals and potential strategies they've discovered. Navigate to their forums or community sections and search for discussions around discounts, extended trials, or bundled packages. Remember to always verify any information you find directly on TradingView's official website before committing. Step 3 involves understanding the concept of lifetime access. In the context of software for TradingView, true lifetime access without any ongoing cost is extremely rare and usually tied to very specific, often limited, promotional events or partnerships. Focus on identifying strategies that offer substantial cost savings over the long term, such as highly discounted annual plans or significant bundled offers that feel like lifetime access by drastically reducing your expenditure. Our final and most critical step: always read the terms and conditions associated with any offer. This is non-negotiable. Understand what lifetime or extended access truly means in that specific context. Are there any hidden clauses? Are you restricted in feature usage? Ensuring you have a clear understanding protects you and ensures you're not unknowingly violating TradingView's policies. Remember, ethical trading starts with ethical exploration of tools.